America faces an affordable housing shortage, with a need greater than ever. At an estimated 7.2 million housing units, America's most income-challenged families need affordable housing, and they need it now. We journeyed to Sweet Home, Alabama, to the fast-growing city of Huntsville, discovering one real estate company that's not only designing spaces for affordable housing, it's also raising the quality of life for the many who need it most.
At Horizon Companies, we take a close look at the community and really determine what the market can bear. And we compare our products, our affordable products, to a market rate product, and we ensure that those products include the same amenities that any market rate product would have. The project that we're doing here in Huntsville will have many amenities. The views are elevated. We plan to have pickleball, tennis courts, fire pits for the neighbors, exercise room. Also, the electric charging stations to charge their cars right on the property.
It's companies like Horizon who are making a measurable impact in housing quality and availability, providing modern, affordable housing, thanks to leading design and development, supported by a putting people first philosophy, along with a best-in-class real estate management.
The metrics we use to determine the city that we're going to go in, I'll use Huntsville as an example. It's the Rocket City, as they say. You have the Facebook facility that's in development right now. There's a population growth, a movement to Huntsville, and we look for that. We look for where the people are going. We develop, we stay in the market, and we serve the community. We have an outstanding team who care about the projects, the communities, and the people in those communities. We are proud of the work that we're doing now, and we are excited about the projects on the horizon.
Having a great real estate team pays great people dividends, felt first by the residents who choose a Horizon Companies property.
My first residence is a Horizon property, and I'm so glad that I chose them. When I first visited the Horizon property, I knew then it would be a place I could call home.
Flexibility in mission-critical management positions, knowing strategically what business decisions create the best opportunities for living, lifestyle, and creation of safe, diverse, and forward-looking communities. That's what a great real estate team is all about.
Our team really takes time and pays special attention to each community that we go inside of to really get an idea of what they like, what they'd like to see, and how we can be involved in that process with them. We are primarily in the southeastern region, but we are now expanding into new markets: Atlanta, Nashville, Pensacola, Florida, looking at projects in Houston, Texas, and we're expanding beyond that.
We look for properties all over the country, and the Huntsville Green Meadows property, that is our template for future projects in other cities.
They keep inboxing me, wanting to know when is the Green Meadows, when is the famous 47 acres, when is it going to be ready to move in?
We'll start.
Groundbreaking will officially start in June of this year. It's coming.
I cannot wait. I have probably about 10, 12 individuals that are ready.
To discover even more about multifamily affordable housing and how it's meeting the needs of residents in Huntsville and throughout the South, and how to locate the next Horizon Companies property in your area, visit horizoncompanies.cc. And to view the segment again, visit us at designingspaces.tv.